On this episode of the Moving Diaries. This is hour 3. This wall behind me is no longer going to be blank. There's no way. No. Talk about patience. And unfortunately, so we messed up. Noise complaint. She is complete. Good afternoon, you guys. We are starting an exciting video. I really should have filmed this morning. I didn't know today was going to be such a big day. It is official. My TV stand has arrived. My dad had it delivered to our house, so he's going to come here and we're going to build it today and actually have my TV not on the ground. I obviously got back from school. We had a skills check off today and a dosage calc exam. I'm thinking the dosage calc went well. The skills check off went fine, but it wasn't like my best ever. I decided to make myself feel better by going to Whole Foods and getting some ingredients to make this recipe that I really want to try. I follow this amazing YouTuber. Her YouTube channel is called Honeysuckle and she's got tons of really good recipes, and I was kind of on a binge and I saw this ramen soup that she made and I wanted to try it. Because my dad is so generously helping me out, I thought, hey, I can make him some ramen while we're working on this. We've started the chopping process and now I'm rewatching the video to see how she wants to chop things. I started cutting the green onion and I'm like, do they want the green part of the onion? So I'm gonna rewatch the video and I'll link it down below if you guys want to. Top it, we got green onions, cilantro, and lime.
Where's your cupcake? Thanks.
I think it needs salt. I'm shocked, but I guess I didn't add that much salt.
Okay, Kiara?
Por senor. No way.
At least an hour.
Yeah, at least an hour. More than an hour. I think it definitely takes more than an hour. Include all the time it takes to clean it all up too. I think this is one of the doors. Pretty. Doug and I are gonna continue on this fun journey of building our beautiful TV stand. The time is now 2:38. We probably started 15 minutes ago. Let's say 2:15-ish we started. We'll see if this catalog is right. And we're fast, but it will take longer than an hour. Even Doug says yes.
Time after time 사랑을 몰라 말들이 너무 많아 우리 걱정은 많아는 널 보며 지금 말해 이제 조금 느낄 수 있어 yeah. Alright, this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you oh.
We are doing this right, putting some glue in so that the bottoms of the drawers don't collapse when I overstuff them.
Where did we learn this from?
IKEA! So we messed up.
But it doesn't show you any difference,
Yeah.
really. You know what I mean? It's
We
weird.
were gluing all the drawers and we didn't realize that these side pieces maybe do have like a certain side.
Rights and lefts to them.
Yeah, because this distance is an inch and then this is like 2 inches. It makes it hard when we're trying to connect the slides here. He let me down. But to be fair, the pictures
We had 2 inches
did not show us. It's currently 5:20 and we've been at this since 2:50, let's say 2:20. So this is hour 3. It does not feel like 3 hours. At least we've been having fun watching the Olympics. Okay, so we're just gonna drill through it. Okay.
Okay, so just slide into the very end and you should be able to line the hole up, right?
Yep.
Pull the trigger part way and make the light come on. Don't strip it. Stop. Perfect.
Problem solved. Now we just have to do it 3 more times. This is a long build. It's a commitment for sure. But I am excited. It's looking pretty good. Doug's excited to be done. Oh my god, you guys. So this is what's going on. This we close, okay? And then we close this. And unfortunately, they do not close together.
And the directions that they show about which hinge goes where, this is the complexity of the directions.
It's literally
they don't
nothing.
Tell you where that this hinge goes here or this hinge goes over there. It doesn't say anything about it, but those don't close, obviously.
And then we have to fix the drawer issue.
Yeah. So we're going to switch these hinges to those hinges.
Yeah, this should be flush right here, and it's not. Doug's not giving up, and we brought out the Baby Yoda
Where
to
you
give
go? Moral support.
moral support. We were doing so well. I'm so sad.
Don't forget 1 hour here.
Okay, it's supposed to take 1 hour. It is 6 o'clock, so this is going on close to 4 hours. Alas, she is complete.
And your corner's gonna be right in that little spot, right?
Yeah.
Here we go. Ready, set, go. Here we go.
Oh, this thing is so heavy.
2 years down, and we're waiting for right in.
Okay. Oh, it looks so cute.
Wow.
Wow. Should I like center it in this little spot? Probably, right?
Between the little
Yeah, because
thing there, go here to the
this is it all the way open. Yeah.
Like that? Okay, let's put the seat on. Very strong.
I'm so strong. Oh my gosh.
You're wanting this thing for so long.
I did. Just wait till I have all the rest of my furniture. Talk about patience. The TV looks huge.
You'll get used
It's
to
the TV. I know. This is what happened last time. Yeah.
It's a good size. It's great
It
for
just
movies.
makes my TV look so big, but it's not bad.
But everybody has big TVs now.
We have 3 drawers. They need to be warmed up, but they don't slam, which is nice. We have cabinets. Oh, we gotta put the shelves in the cabinets. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. It's a couple weeks later from when I got the whole TV stand, but we are back again, ready to do some decorating. This wall behind me is no longer gonna be blank today. I think I'm gonna put shelves here. I have a whole bunch of stuff, and together we're just gonna figure it out and just put a couple things on the wall so I don't have to wake up and stare at blank walls all the time. My old roommate T1 is visiting this weekend. We're gonna go to the Justin Bieber concert that we've been waiting to go to for like 3 years, and so I wanted to have some stuff on the walls, and because my furniture is still like 3-4 weeks away, I was like, might as well get started. If I've been thinking about where I'm gonna put certain things for so long, they're probably gonna go there and it's fine. That's what we're gonna do. Doug's here. Ooh. It's a little bit of a darker green than we wanted, but this was the lightest they had. It's so cool, and the chair that I'm gonna get is dark. Where do we begin?
So where do you put all that stuff over there?
Just is waiting for my desk to come and I'll put it, but some of it will hang. But I want to hang these shelves in my bedroom, and then I want to hang the vintage prints, like the little photo guy and the Olympic thing right here, and I just don't know if I want to hang it side by side or if I want to stack it.
You have a step stool, right?
Yeah, I
I
do.
thought you did. I wonder if it was high. It would be high enough for you with the steps, right?
I mean, or my chairs are. I was like really attached to these being stacked. Like I can't really hold it up too tight.
That.
But I think they may look better like that, right?
They look better sideways or staggered height vertically.
You love to stagger, but I hate the stagger.
When you go back and look at it, you're gonna see why I don't like it. Go back and look at
Are you
it.
sure you got it?
Yeah, you go back and look at it, you're gonna see why I don't like it.
Yeah, it's not my, well, I don't
It's
hate
like
it, but it's not my
kind of a-
fave. I guess staggered that way is not that bad, but
Side by side? What about slight stagger or something like that?
nah, that's pretty good. Because in the corner there's gonna be the ball light that's a floor.
What if you made so the two edges match each other that way? Does that make you feel better about
Yeah, I mean, that's kind of cute. Here's the pencil. You're gonna mark it.
2 inches below my mark in the center.
Okay, so just tell me if I'm centered between the
Okay. Go left just a hair.
left and here.
No, yeah, right. Whoa, wait.
That doesn't
Back
look
right a hair, but a little bit right there.
Say you're the person making money, and money rules the world. Your freedom is one thing, but to be is something else.
Perfect. That looks nice.
Yeah,
When
so-
the chair gets here and it sits here and then the light there, it's gonna look super cute. What do we do about this? Because there's this box behind it. Should I just hang this higher? I think I should get rid of the dead flowers, and I think I should just try to hang it so it half covers this thing. You
If the
know?
flowers were gone, maybe that wouldn't look so bad.
Okay, well, let's move the flowers.
Something like this. So the bottle tops will be here, you kind of won't see it. Oh, that looks cute there, Kiara. Yes.
Fill it up.
It breaks up that blank white wall.
Like a shooting star, honey. If you could feel the wind blow when the chandelier shines.
purged another bin. It's going home. Doug is starting on the light while I gather some stuff out of these bins. Some of the stuff's for my desk, but some of the stuff I know is gonna be on the shelf. This cute little box that I got at Target, my little candle that my friend Kylie got me that says, "Look at you becoming a nurse." I have so much stuff in here that I've like half unpacked.
There's 19, what do you want, 20 from the wall?
19.
19 and 33. There's a taller elm for a 6-foot ladder.
I mean, you could stand on that table. It is strong. It's real marble. You're not gonna break it.
Chair will probably do it here. Let's try the chair.
This is like extra fall risk precarious, but I do have this.
Let me try this. The chairs are pretty good.
The chairs are pretty sturdy. Why don't we just move the table out of the way so that you can get closer, have better access?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, it seems like
well,
you're...
this might be...
Oh my god, no. I need this.
We can move the table now.
Yeah.
I never have what they call a step stool.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna have to like catch you.
No, I'm not gonna call it. This sketchy, I'm going to,
abort mission.
Yeah.
Wait, why don't I do it? Because I have better balance. Oh, there's no way you can stand on this. If that's how big the hole's gonna
Yeah,
be,
this
just that
is
big.
bigger now.
That's not very big.
Yeah, I've punched 1,000 of these in my life.
Okay,
You just take the rubber
perfect.
hammer.
I feel like
drills
I'm not
it
going to
into
be
it.
able to do it though. But I don't want you to fall off of this. This is not recommended for any unexperienced individual.
Yeah, let's call this a drive pin.
The hole's only like that big. He said we can
Quarter
fit it.
diameter.
Quarter inch is not that big.
I'm gonna let you go up in this aisle and make one trip up
Okay.
there. You put that thing up there. Center it over those marks. So the center of that cross is the center of that tape. Do you want to try drilling or you want me to drill it?
I feel like I shouldn't.
You have to push. You have to push
Yeah, I feel like I'm not strong enough.
hard. Let me go up there and see what I feel like. I'm gonna let you hand me the drill when I feel comfortable.
Yeah, you can kind of grab one. Oh, how do you
I
feel?
feel better about it. Oh, I feel really good. It sounds like a ladder.
Noise complaint? You have to press hard, huh? There's no way I was gonna do that.
So
So
in
you
this-
feed the wire up through here and then you put that white thing below. It's below this. See, look. It's below. It's underneath
Oh, I
this.
see, and that's what holds the trim ring up there.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Then the wire, we're gonna go back a step.
Your freedom is one thing, but to be is something else. I think it's kind of
Like instead of kind of guessing how it all goes, you just grab it, watch. Ready, set,
the people who die to
boom.
kill.
Wires are all stripped.
Can't believe we're doing electrical work in my apartment. We had to turn the ring light on because it's already getting dark in here. This is what it looks like so far. Wait, you want to use this power strip?
Yeah.
Whoa. I feel like that's nice.
Oh.
Any lower and it would be not as
It's
bright.
one thing
to
that's
the
kind of
ring.
nice about it from over here, Kiara, when you look.
It's not like super obtrusive. This is literally being plugged into the wall by this tiny little wires. We lowered it like a couple inches. It's done. It looks so cute. That's the top. We ran it down the side there so you can't really see it. And it's amazing. It's time for the shelves. Your least favorite. Since something happened to them when we were taking them down. I remember something happened. I don't remember what. I think it was this.
What are you gonna put right up there?
I may hang the plants there. You know the hanging
Near the
plants?
window, that makes sense. The only thing I kind of don't like about it there is it's...
It blocks this walkway. Yeah.
When you're coming in here one day with something, you're gonna hook
Yeah.
something and it'll go down.
This makes
right?
sense. It just seems low to me to have it like here, but I think it's fine. Bring me a higher. Oh.
We screw these things on first.
Oh yeah.
I think it's kind of funny, the people who die to kill. For
The best part is bringing the decorations in, so I'm gonna go get some while he's putting the other one up. What would we do without Doug? The best.
18 inches apart.
trying to get so
I was either thinking play button goes there by the window in this little like spot, or it sits on the shelf.
At a little bit of an angle. You can get it up.
Yeah, but this looks so junky.
Pull that bottom out farther.
It looks so junky. I just don't like what's going on here.
It's too. The book thing's too busy.
It's too busy.
Yeah, the book thing's too busy.
Yeah.
It's better. You know,
I need to fix that frame.
It's not perfect, but it's better. Filling that gap right there, so you fill that gap so it would hit
And I
it
could
sooner.
like,
A little piece of cardboard would do it.
or I could put a command strip. Do you think I should put packing tape? Hey, that worked.
Oh, that was cute. That was pretty cute.
One more thing to hang. Let's hope this is not cracked. Look, these are the flowers that you and
Oh.
Mom picked when I was a before I was born and you pressed them.
Wow, look at how they are. They still stay so perfect. I think theirs pretty good.
I think
it's a
this
good
is
spot.
pretty. Like that works.
Okay, so Doug and I got the snacks, we got the plug, we're ready to go. Now you can see how dark this place is without this light on. We're eating some TJ version of the Takis, and we're about to plug our wire into this plug and call it a day.
All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. We got the cute shelves behind me. I hope you enjoyed decorating with Doug and I. We had a great time. Things are starting to come along. Like I said, 3 more weeks until actual furniture. I'm really excited. Today's question of the day is going to be, what is your favorite way to decorate? Do you use shelves? Do you like the gallery wall? Like blank walls? Everyone has different preferences. I feel like I'm kind of a shelf girl, if you couldn't tell. I like the shelves, and I like the shelves in my living room. Although it's challenging to decorate, I feel like they hold things well and they take up space while also making sense. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.
I only worry that I'm crazy. 'Cause if it's all true, well, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said